Y'all see the Sharpie, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yay. All right, it's working now. All right, so we do. So today I'm going to do number 3. Yay. And I think it's 22, 23, 24. These are right. These are the ones from. I'm gonna do some of these guys. These are from test number 3. All the other ones from 20 backwards are all ones we've done already. So that should be, hopefully you'll be okay. You'll be all smart on it. Hopefully that's the plan. All right, so now let's go. All right, so I'm gonna do number 21. Test number today. Today is, what is today? 11/10. Today. All right, so let me do an easy one first. That's one. Systems of equations. Systems of equations. So the way you did this in algebra a long time ago, we had algebra 1. To solve this, you need to get rid of one of the letters first, the x or the y. And if you can just add it down, that gives you the answer pretty fast. Okay, so if I add this straight down, let's see what happens. If I add 1x and 1x, is that going to be a 2x right here? Does that make sense? If you go y to negative y, just give me a 0. And 3 plus 1 is 4. Everybody see what I get from here to there? Just add the x's at the y's, put the numbers. All right, now, next step is I'm going to go ahead and solve it. So 2x equals 4. So now, how do we get the answer from there? What do you think?
Divide by 2.
Divide by 2. All right, divide by 2. Exactly, that's what it is. So divide this one by 2. This one by 2. So x equals 2. Done. Now, I need to substitute this number back in there. I know that x plus y always equals 3. So x is 2. So I'm going to put 2 plus y equals 3. 2 plus y equals 3. 2 plus y minus a 2. And 3 minus a 2. So y equals 1. So when I put those numbers here, put them in order. X is a 2 and y is a 1, like this. Y'all see how I get the answer down there? Tell me yes, tell me no. Let me highlight it for you. You can see it. There they are right there. Y'all see it? So if I put 2 and 1 back here, 2 plus 1 is 3. Yes. And if I go 2 and 1 here, 2 minus 1 is 1. Yes, that works. Y'all see that right there? Tell me yes or no. Y'all see it? Hopefully.
Okay. Yes, sir.
All right, so we do that one like this one. Okay, I'm just gonna change the numbers. And a little bit, I'll make it a little bit more complicated. But for now, let me do easy ones first. All right, another one just like this one, where you're just gonna add it straight down and the answers are in front of you. Okay. All right, so another one like this. All right, so another one. 1. The x plus y is 4. X minus y is 0. This one, that one's okay. All right, so this one. If I illustrate down, this give me 2x plus 0 is 4. So 2x equals 4, and you divide again by 2, both sides. X is 2. Now, I'm going to substitute again. X plus y is 4. So 2 plus y is that right? 4. Okay. Okay. So 2 plus y equals 4 minus a 2 minus a 2. So y equals 2. So it says that x and y are going to be 2 and 2. Does that work? Let's see. You think this works right here? What do you think? 2 and 2. If I go 2 plus 2, does that give you 4?
Yes.
If I go 2 minus 2, does that give you 0? Yeah? You say yes?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, now make it a little bit harder now, okay? Okay. This is page 2. All right, so now on the next page, we want again 3x plus 2y equals 5, and 5x minus 3y equals 2 or something. Let's see, real quick. All right, so there's a problem. So now, oh man, if you add straight down, nothing's gonna happen. Nothing at all is gonna happen. You add straight down, what happens? Nothing. You get 5x, you get a y. Okay, so now I'm gonna tell you what's gonna happen. If these numbers are not gonna cancel, see this number here, see this number here. If you add them together, they're not gonna cancel out. So you need to fix it. And to fix it, I'm gonna tell you what I mean by that. That's 2y. It's 5. All right, so I'm gonna multiply whatever these numbers are. See the 2 and the -3 right here? I'm just gonna put it here. Put the 3 and put the 2 down here. Just flip them around. See the numbers here? Just switch them. And multiply the top and the bottom by that. So ready? So on the top, multiply, ready? What's 3 times 3? 9x. What's 3 times 2? 6y, right?
Yes.
On the bottom one, 2 times 5, 10x. 2 times that, minus 6y. 2 times 2, 4. So that I just multiply everything by 2, everything by 3. Now you add them straight down. Do they go away?
Yes.
Yeah. So 9x, that's 19x. This is 0 equals 19. So 19x equals 19. If I divide both sides by 19, what's going to happen? What do you get? What's this? Is that right there?
One.
Is that right? So now I know one answer is 1, right? X equals 1. I'm going to substitute this number back in here. So 3x plus 2y is 5. So 3 times 1 plus 2y equals 5. So 3 plus 2y equals 5. 3 plus 2y minus 3 and 5 minus 3. These are gone. So 2y equals 2. Divided by 2, divided by 2. So y equals 1. So x and y is 1 and 1. Does that work? Let's see. If I put 1 back in the beginning, does it work? Let's see. 3 times 1 is 3, 2 times 1 is 2, 3 and 2 is 5. Yes. And put it in there. 5 times 1 is 5, minus 3 is 2. Yes, okay, Joe. That works. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Yes, a little bit. Let me do a couple more of these. You'll see in a second. All right, another one like this. Let me just change it. All right, another one. Oh, let's make one up here. All right, number 3. Where's number 4? I guess. 2, 3, 4. Okay. All right, this one. This one. How about this one? This is 21 again. 4x minus 5y equals -7. 5x plus 1y equals 13. 4x minus 5y is that. 5x minus 1y equals 13. So now, look at the numbers. They're not going to cancel. This is right here. Doesn't cancel, does it? So, fix it. I'm going to have to multiply by something. Multiply. All right. So this is a 5 and a 1. Just put it here. 1, 5. You also want to switch the numbers? Right there. And right there. Are you okay with the 1, 5, 5, 1?
Yes.
Now multiply everything across by that number. 1 times this is 4x. 1 times that is 5y. 1 times that is -7. 5 times that is 20x. 5 times that is 5y. And 5 times 13, I don't know, what is 5 times 13? Would y'all get? $65, is that right? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes.
Yes, okay. So now,
Yes.
next step is, go ahead and, let's see. Well, just add them down, all right? That's gonna be 24x plus 0 is, what's that number right there? What's 65 take away 7?
58.
Yeah. All right, so 24x is 58. So divide this one by 24 and divide this one by, is that right? 24? No, not 24. Let's see, hold on a second. X. Oh, what's 5 times 5? Isn't that 25?
Yes.
So this is 25x, and that's really gonna be 29x. 29x. There you go. So 29. Okay, so is that right? 4 times 4, 5 times 5 is 25. 29. Yeah, that's what it is. 29. So 29 divided by 29, it's gone. So x is, and I don't know what that is. What is that number? What's this?
It is 1.86.
1.86. Let me write down. Oh shoot. You know what? 58, 58. 58 there. Now it's gonna be a nice number, isn't it? Now it's, yeah. Yeah, I wouldn't give you ugly numbers like that. Why would I do that? No, it's I always give you 1, 2, 3, 4 or something. So 2, yeah, 2 is good. Go back on there. Finally, yay. So now 4x minus 5y is -7. So 4 times 2 minus 5y equals -7. So 8 minus 5y equals -7. So you tell me the next step. What do I do next? Subtract something.
-8.
-8 both sides? Okay, let's do that right now. Let's go -8, -8. -8, -8, these are gone. So -5y is -15, yes or no?
Yeah.
Then what? Divide by what? By 5, -5, yes or no? What do you think that's gonna be?
3.
3. Okay. 3. So 2 and 3 is the answer then? This right here? 2, 3. Okay, right there. We'll do it again. Let me change the numbers. Let me change it all completely. Big time. With no minus signs in it. Let's do this. All right, I'm gonna do the same problem. I'm just gonna change the numbers, okay? 21 again. Let's do 21 again. All right. 1. All right. Let's say, let's see. X is T and Y is fillet. All right, so you go to Hungry Farmer restaurant. You order 1 fillet, 1 T-bone steak, 1 fillet, like that. That's it. So if you're one of those, you and your friend go out there, say, let's go lunch, okay? So you get 1 T-bone steak, 1 fillet, and you say, I'll pay for it. Okay, you are? Yeah, I'll pay for it. And it only costs you $30. Okay. Just the fillet and just the T-bone steak. Okay, T-bone steak is like big old thing like this, the bone in it, and the fillet is like less with bacon or something like that. So this one and this one together is $30. Plus, if you want more stuff, you want salads, baked potatoes, desserts, drinks, it's more money. Does that make sense? Just the T-bone, just the fillet, $30. So now your friend says, hey, that was good, man. Hey, next time I come, can I bring my brothers and sisters, maybe some of their kids, and my mom, dad, maybe? Yeah, sure, go ahead. I'll pay for it. So they come there next time, and then 10 people ordered T-bones, and 5 people ordered fillets this time. So we have 10 and 5. So that's gonna cost you $200 this time. It's okay. You put in your Visa card. It doesn't matter. So now let me write this again. This is 1x plus 1y equals 30. And this is 10x plus 5y equals 200. Everybody okay with this step right there? Y'all see it? I just put a 1 in there. So now, what's the number in front of the y? It's a 1 here. And it's a 5 there. Y'all see the number here, the 1 and the 5? Yes or no? So now, you're going to have to multiply by a number. I tend to flip the numbers. But they're both positive and positive, and that's never going to cancel out. So just make the top one the minus. That's what I did right there. I still put the 5 and the 1, but I put the top is the number negative. Y'all see what I did right there for the step 1? So now you can multiply straight across. So -5 times this is -5x. -5 times that, -5y. And this times this is -150. 1 times that, 10x, plus 1 times that, 5y. 1 times that, 200. Is that okay with the multiplication numbers? Now,
Yes.
if you add them straight down, what are you gonna have right here? What's this right here? It's 10x minus 5x.
Be 5x.
Yes. And if you have 5 minus 5, is that 0?
Yes.
Yes.
All right. And then what about 150 minus 200? How about that? What do you think that's?
-50.
How much? 50?
-50.
Okay. You sure? 200 minus 150?
It's 50.
Just regular 50, yes or no?
Yes, just
$200 minus $150, is that 50? Yeah, it's 50. It's just regular 50. Okay, so now the next question. So now this is going to be 5x equals 50, and I'm going to use my calculator to do this thing right here. So what did you get for x? Give me a number.
10.
You said 10. So the T-bone steak, just by the T-bone steak by alone costs $10. Okay, that's fine. We got one answer. The other answer. So x plus y has to be 30, right? I know what is x? 10? So 10 plus y is 30. So 10 plus y equals 30. So 10 plus y, I'm going to subtract from both sides, a negative 10 and a negative 10. These are gone. So y equals what number?
Y y equals 20.
20. Okay, so now I'm going to put these numbers back here. So x and y is, x is 10. This is a T-bone steak here. And the other one is $20 for the fillet, the little fillet things. Okay, does that make sense for the answer? They work. Let me try the answer. Make sure they don't mess up. So 10 plus 20, is that going to be $30? Yeah, it's easy. This one, 10 times 10 is 100, and 5 times 20 is 100. 100 is that 200?
Yes.
So they work for both of them, right?
Yes.
So as long as the systems of equations, I did it. There they are. 10 and 20, and they have to be in this order. X has to be 10, Y has to be 20. It has to be like this. Don't flip them. If you flip it around, it's going to be wrong. Okay. So let me do one more. Let me do all right, let's see. Let me set up another one here. Okay. So all right, so let's do let me do one more like this. I'm just gonna change the numbers. Okay, like this one is gonna change it. All right, ready? Can I go next one?
Okay, let me take a picture of this real quick.
Go ahead. Yeah, take a picture. Got it?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, got it.
Okay. All right. So let me do example number 6. That's gonna change it. Okay. Oh, you know what's gonna happen too? Let me write this down. All right. So what happened here? So so you took your friend to go eat lunch at Hungry Farmer, and then you took your friend's family, all their brothers, sisters, and family, and spent $200. And then after that, after this, they're gonna tell you this. They're gonna say, "Well, that was really fun. We had a great time. Thank you." You know what? They're gonna say this. Okay, let me do this again. X plus y was 30, and 10x plus 5y equals 200. All right, we said the answer for x and y was 10 and 20. 10 and 20. All right. So now, so this for this problem, that's the answer right there, 10, 20. And now, after you ate there at the Hungry Farmer and it was fun. You had your T-bone steak here. Yeah, your fillets. All right. All right. You had all this stuff right here. So now they're gonna say, "Hey, that was fun eating here. You know what? We've never been to Fiesta, Texas. And you just use your Visa card to pay for all this stuff right here. They can say, hey, we never been to Fiesta, Texas. You want to take us there and pay for us? Okay. So here's a question for you. How much would it cost if you had to buy 15 adult tickets? So let's say, how much is one ticket? How much is one ticket at Fiesta? Tell me. What is one ticket to go to Fiesta, Texas for the day? How about SeaWorld? How much is it for one ticket at SeaWorld then? How much is that? What do you think? 70 maybe? I don't know, 60? I'm not sure. I haven't looked at the prices. Let's go Fiesta Texas. Let's get, I'm gonna say Fiesta Texas. I'm just gonna say they got coupons or something. So $65 each. And there's how many people? 15. So I want you to do this. Multiply these two numbers. This is for the tickets. You walk in. You walk in. What's 15 times 65? How much is that? Do it in the calculator. How much is it going to cost? 65 times 15.
975.
970? $970? Almost $1,000? Is that what you said?
Yes, 975.
Holy cow. That's not bad. It's okay. It's okay. You know why? Because you're going to put in your Visa card anyway. So it's like free money, right? That's like free money when you put in your Visa card. All right. So now they're in there. And then they're doing the rides and stuff. And it's pretty fun. They say, this is fun, man. Thank you for bringing us. Now they're going to tell you this. After about 4 hours, they're going to say, you know what? Can you buy us some food here at Fiesta Texas also? What do you think? Can you buy us pizzas, hamburgers, stuff like that? Is it expensive there? For Fiesta Texas food, yes or no?
Yeah.
It's a lot, right? It's like giant numbers, right? Gigantic numbers. Like the souvenir cup for soda is like $14, right? One cup of soda. It's like, I don't know what it is now. I'm saying it's around there. One cup. But you can feel it again though. It's only $14 though for that one cup. And they all want their own cups, of course. You get souvenir cups, they all want one. Right? And the food, and I have no idea how much pizzas and hamburgers and all that other stuff costs. It's a big chunk of money. And then after that, after the food, they're gonna say, hey, this is really fun. You bought us a ticket, you got us a food. Can we get like souvenirs now? What? Let's go to the souvenir shop. What? Can we get souvenir stuff like jackets that say Fiesta Texas on them and warm-ups and stuff like that? And how much they cost there at the souvenir shop? Is it expensive there too?
Yes.
It's all right. Don't worry about it. You're gonna put your Visa card. Visa card, Visa card. So you're okay. It doesn't matter. You bring your Visa card. Just chalk it up in your Visa card. You'll be okay, right? All right. So that's what happened there. All right. So now let me do one more systems like this. I'm just gonna change it. All right. So you went there. So then we do one more systems of equations. And I think you got the skill. I think. All right. So let's say you go to, I don't know where you go. I know where. Pizza buffet. Go to the pizza buffet. Okay. Like from 11 a.m. until, I don't know when they have it. I think till 2:30. The pizza buffet. Different ones like Pizza Hut, Peter Piper's Pizza, Cici's Pizza. There's a bunch of places. So you're gonna go to pizza buffet. You get down there, and you just came that last day you were at Fiesta was fun. You were all hungry and stuff the next day. So I'm gonna eat pizza. Okay. So let's say you have this. There's two kinds of pizza there. There's I don't know, I'll just say it like this. There's regular pizza slices. And then there's stuffed crust pizza slices. Okay, regular one looks like this. Has like this, has a pepperonis on it, and like this, has a little crusting. That's it. The other one, it has all this stuff like this, and over here it has a bunch of cheese in there. Okay, stuff with cheese or bacon or whatever they put in there. Okay, so this one now, when you go down there, I say, man, this pizza looks really good, and they make it brand new for you, right? Like, and Peter Piper will say, what do you want? Tell them what you want, they'll make it for you. Pizza slice, right? All right, so now here's what you do. If you had only one regular pizza slice and one stuffed crust plate pizza, there's calories in each slice. So I'm gonna say that's 1,300 calories on the one pizza slice regular, one stuffed crust pizza. If you only eat one and one. Okay, now here's a question for you. It's a buffet. Is that all you're gonna eat? Just two slices of pizza? Is that it? You think that's gonna happen? No way. And I have 3 hours. I have 3.5 hours to eat all I want, man. And I already paid a lot of money. I paid $6.99 of cash to be here. Do I get my money's worth? Yes or no?
Yes.
I have to get my money. I'm not gonna pay $7 for 2 slices of pizza. No way, man. So I'm gonna eat a lot. So this is what I'm gonna do. Let's see. I'm gonna have 12 slices of regular pizza, and I don't know, maybe 5 slices of stuffed crust pizza. How's that? That sound okay? I think that sounds good. And that, it's gonna be like, I guess around. These are calories. These are calories. 10,000 calories this way, 1,300 calories that way. So now, my problem, 1P plus 1C equals 1,300. And 12P plus 5C equals 10,000. So now, I'm gonna have to multiply this one by something and that one by something. So now, here's the numbers. 1 and 5. So the way I'm gonna do this is I'm gonna flip these. See the 5? I'm gonna put it there, and the 1 put it there. You see what I did right there? Flip them. But they're both plus plus, so one has to be a minus. I'm gonna say the top one's a minus. So -5 on top, 1 on the bottom. Is that all right like that? So now, multiply everything on top by -5. Ready? So -5 times 1, give me a number.
-5.
-5, 5P? Okay. And -5 times C, is that -5C also? Yes or no? All right. And what's -5 times 1,300? What's 1,300 times 5? Give me a number. What's this? Negative something. What's 1,300 times 5?
It's going to be 6,500 or 6,500.
C500. Okay. And 1 times the bottom one, that's the same thing. 12P plus 5C equals 10,000. All right. So now I have 12P minus 5P. What is that? This right here.
7.
7. Okay.
So,
A 0 is, subtract those two numbers.
okay.
10,000 minus 6,500.
Let's see. 1,000. Okay, minus 6,500.
I got 3,500.
35, 2 zeros?
Same.
3,500.
All right, so 2 zeros, right? All right, so now I'm gonna divide this side by 7, and I'm gonna divide this one by 7 also. So when I do that, what'd you get? What's 3,500 divided by 7?
500.
How much?
500.
500. Okay. This is the regular pizza slice calories. All right, so that's one answer, right? So now I'm gonna have to go back to the original problem, get the other answer. So P plus C is 1,300, but I know that P is what, 500? So 500
Yes.
plus C is 1,300. So 500 plus C minus 500 equals 1,300 minus 500. Is that right? Yeah, these are gone. So C is, and I don't know what that is. What's 1,300 minus 500? Tell me.
800.
800. Okay. So I'm gonna write down here. So P and C is gonna be 500 and use it 800, right? This is the regular pizza slice, and this is the stuffed crust pizza slice. Okay, so that means that what? One slice of pizza is 500 calories. That's it. If you have one stuffed crust pizza, it's 800 calories just by itself. Does that make sense? One of these, that's 500, and the other one is 800 by itself, just by itself. But here's a question for you. You ate 1,300 calories here, but that was not enough. You went ahead and get your money's worth. You ate 10,000 calories for lunch. Okay, now let me ask you a question. That's a good thing, right? To eat 10,000 calories for lunch? What do you think? Is that good or bad? Well, how much are you supposed to have every day? What's a regular number that you should have every day? Tell me. You know what it says? What's a regular amount of calories per day? What do you think? Wait to get us. So let me put a circle on this. We got that we ended up that this buffet, we said that you got 500 calories for one regular slice, 800 calories for the stuffed crust pizza slices. So now here's a question for you. Every day you should have how many calories? What's the regular amount of calories per day? Give me a number. What do you think it is for day? On the average for regular people. How many calories should you have in one day? Come on, tell me the answer. You know what it is. What's say in the bag of your potato chips or your candy or your payday or your Snickers bar?
1,300 and 10,000.
All right. Is that question okay? This number, those numbers work. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. All right. I'm gonna tell you right now, what I saw was this. Every day, you probably should have 2,500 calories. That's it for the whole day. All day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, you should have only 2,500 the whole day. Does that make sense? That's what I saw in my Snicker bar, okay? And my payday, it says recommended daily calories, 2,500 for the whole day. One person. So if I ate 10,000 calories just for lunch, is that like extra calories that I'm carrying? Is that like eating for 4 days right here? 4 days of food right there at lunchtime? Does that make sense? But did you get your $6.99 worth? Yes or no? I say yes. You're a winner, right? You get ahead because you get more than you paid for. Does that make sense? All right. So now let me do. I'm gonna say 21 is okay. Can I go to the next question? Yes or no? Next page.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go next page. All right. I'm gonna jump to the question that I'm gonna try is I am going to go to question. Let's see, go in here. All right. 21 we did. I'm gonna go to number 23. No, I'm not telling you the second why. All right, 23 looks like this. It says the sum of x equals 1, the 4 of 2x, something like that. It's a summation. Sum. All right, there you go. Find the sum of that. What? All right, so now I'm gonna assume that you don't know what that symbol means. Is that okay? Yeah, just
Yeah.
pretend that you don't know. All right, I'm assuming that. What's the summation symbol? I don't know. I don't know what that means. All right, so I'm gonna show you. Well, let me show you what that means. I'll just show you a couple examples, and then you'll know it. What that means, you start whatever's on the bottom, right there, and you stop whatever's on the top, right there. Ready? So 2 times 1 plus 2 times 2 plus 2 times 3 plus 2 times 4, and it stops right there because it starts with the bottom number is a 1 and the top number is a 4. Y'all see right there? From 1 to 4 in this formula right here. You put those numbers. Now, this is going to be 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. Add them up in your calculator. You tell me what that is. Do it in the calculator. Tell me what that is.
Twenty.
20? Is that right? See, 10, 20. Yeah, 20. That's right, 20. All right. Do an hour like this one. Sum from x equals 1. I don't know. Let's make it a little number. Well, 3. 10x. What does that mean? 10 times 1 plus 10 times 2 plus 10 times 3. And actually, just do it right here. I'm gonna do the step here, but I don't want you to do this. Okay, give me the answer. How much?
60.
16? 60?
Yes.
Okay. 60. Like that? 60. All right, that sounds good to me. All right, so now, this is how you do it the regular way, without a calculator. But since I'm gonna assume that some of you guys have calculators, is that okay? Can I just say some of you might have machines? Okay, we'll find out pretty soon. All right, so let me show you how to do this another way. Okay. One way to do it is this right here. I'm gonna put a little block on this thing. Square. Or this right in the square. All right. Is there a way to the machine to do this for me? Yes. So, okay, watch my calculator. I'm gonna do this. Hit math right now. M-A-T-H. Everybody do that right now. Hit math. Math. Y'all get that right there? Now,
Yeah.
put down arrow until you see summation. Hey, there it is. Y'all see it? Summation. So all I did is I put math. Okay, I put math. Then I hit down arrow until you see this right here. Summation. And it looks like, let me see what it looks like. It looks like this. Like that. Something like that. Y'all see it on your machine? So now, enter. Ready? Hey, little boxes. Little boxes. There's a little box here equals another little box here, and then another little box up here, and another little box right here. Guess what you're gonna put in the boxes? You think in this box I should put an X? What do you think? Right there? You think I should put a 1 here? Do you think I should put a 4 up here? And in here, I'm gonna put parentheses 2x. So when I do this right here, I put all substitute those things in there. So let me do it right now. X 1 upstairs, 4 to the next thing to the box. Right here in the box is gonna go 2x and get out. There it is. So I'm there, get out. So is everybody okay right there? So now, what would happen if I hit the key enter? What do you think is gonna happen? He's gonna give me the answer.
Yes.
I got 20. Y'all got 20?
Yes.
No. Yes. Okay. All right. So now, all right. So you can use this way or this way. This is what I want you. Yes or no? You got 20?
Okay. I have one question.
Oh no! Somebody got it wrong. What's your question?
Okay. Look, I have a calculator that is not down. I have a TI-83 plus.
Oh man, that one doesn't have it. That one doesn't have the apps.
So yeah. So
That's too old, man. That's like for 20 years ago.
so.
Where'd you get it? Who gave it to you? Your grandpa?
It was
Your uncle?
it was an uncle gave it to me or something. So
Oh man, that was good. But anyway, it does some stuff. Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
so on yours, you're gonna have to do the long way. I know. It's that right?
yeah.
It's okay.
So
You have 83? No. Okay, so now let's do the next one. Let's do this one here also. Ready?
okay.
I'm gonna do this right here. I'm assuming you have 84 or something, but you know, some people obviously do not. I understand. Okay, ready? Math, number. No. Let me get out here. Math, down arrow, TC summation. Yes. All right, so now I'm gonna do the same thing for this one. I'm gonna go math, down arrow, summation again. Okay, like this. And it's gonna go again. The block right here, like this, and a block here, like that, a block here, and a big block there. And inside those little blocks, you know what you're gonna put, right? If you have, of course, an 84, you're gonna put these numbers here. Right there. Okay, so do it. Let's do it. I'm gonna put X. I'm gonna put 1. I'm gonna put 3. And I'm gonna put 10x. Get out. All right, so right, 1, 3, 10x. So now when you hit enter, what did you get? Y'all get 60? Yes or no? Y'all get 60?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. gonna do one more like this. Hang on a second. One more and I'm gonna shut it right there. I think. All right. Can I go to the next page? Yes or no? You tell me.
Yes.
I'm gonna go next page, okay? So now I'm going to go to oh, I don't know, some bigger number. Let's do it like this. Let's go to. All right. So these are okay. 1 to 4, 1 to 3. So now, oh man. Oh, I know what's gonna happen now. 23. Oh God, the guy with that T83 is gonna get killed, man. Because it's gonna start. Yeah, it's gonna start at 1. 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3. Yeah, 2 times 4. Keep going. So you finally get to 2 times 100. And then you can add all these numbers up in your 283. And you'll get the answer, right? Right? Maybe. So now, let's see what's going to happen here. What do you think is going to happen? Okay, I don't want to do it that way. I'm just gonna assume you can get a T84 somewhere. Borrow it from somebody. Call your cousins or somebody. Okay. Let's do this. So I'm gonna do it the calculator way. Here. I was gonna say math, down arrow till you get to summation. Okay. Got it. I'm gonna go math. Oops, get out here. Math, down arrow. Summation. Okay. Math, down arrow, summation. All right. So you're gonna get this. Okay, so I'm gonna put X. I'm gonna put 1. I'm gonna put 100. I'm gonna put 2X in here. And I'm gonna get enter. I don't know. Let me do it on my machine. I'm gonna put X. I'm gonna put 1. I'm gonna put 100. I'm gonna put 2X in there. Get out. All right. Give me the number. What'd y'all get?
I got 10,100.
Okay. 10,100 like this? Like that? 10,100?
Yes.
That's right. That's what it is. Okay, so now that you have the skill, I'm gonna do one more of these things. If I say X equals 1 to 200 of 2X, this one here. But do with the calculator. Do math, down arrow, summation. Okay. And it's gonna be from those numbers. X equals 1 to 200 of, what is it, 2X again? And there, the box. Okay, give me numbers you get for this one. I'll do it on mine.
40,200.
40,200? All right, I'll just write your answer down. 40,200, like this?
Yes.
Is that it? Okay, I believe you. Yeah, 40,200 the answer. So this one is this answer. This is this answer. Y'all okay with that? With this 23? And since obviously some people don't have a TI-84 on my math lab, the numbers, I'll just keep them real little. You know, on my math lab, when you go in there for that 83 people, I'll just give you the numbers like this. I'll just be like 4 or 5 or something. That's it. Like 3, 4, 5. That's the biggest number is gonna be. Does that make sense? So you can still do it the long way. It's just not, it's just gonna take more steps, that's all. But it's not gonna be, no, it's not gonna be big numbers like these. Okay? Not like that one, not like that one. It's gonna be little numbers. All right. Who's that? Who has a T83? Who is that? Who had a T83? What's your name?
Ignacio.
Ignacio. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep the number. When you go to my math lab and
Mhm.
start doing the problems in there, the numbers will be little. Like this.
Okay. Okay.
So it won't matter. You don't have to borrow a machine. Just use it when you have it.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Let's just keep it like that. That way everybody will have success, man. All right. So let me go back to the beginning of this. Stop right there. So today we did number 21. We got that one done. I say yes. And we also got number 23. Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah. So we got 2 questions done. All right. So this one. So in test number 3, you should be able to do 21 and 23. What do you think? Yes?
Yeah.
Yeah, I say yes. I say you have those skills. All right. So then when you come back on, what is it? On Monday, I'll start 22 and 24, and hopefully we get 25. We'll see. We'll see how many we get. Okay. So Monday and Wednesday we'll finish these. Okay. Then I can start the final exam stuff. Then after that, okay. All right. So 1 through 20 are old stuff. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 are new. We did 21. We did number 23. So you should be able to handle those. Everybody okay with those numbers?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right, man. You got it. You got skills, man. You got some skills, man. Yeah. Excellent. All right, get out of here. I'll see y'all later, man. Get out of
All
here.
right. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. You too, guys. Later. Later, guys. Oh, got it. Got it.